He snores even when he's awake. A lot of people have been making comments on my videos about the breathing being distracted or distracting, and I don't know, whatever. You don't fucking pay for the video. Ain't nobody asked you to watch the damn video. This is my dog. This is my road dog. This is my best friend. I've had him since he was about 9 weeks old, and he is 8 years old, okay? He's not going anywhere. He likes to sit right up under me whenever I film, wherever I am, and I'm not going to close him in a closet or a room or anything else. So everyone, meet Riddick. You see he lives a hard life, and that's who y'all hear snoring in the background, all right? Riddick. He lives. He does live. He's just a chill ass dog with a chill personality. Up. Sit. You want to say hi? Say hi. Speak. Paul. Say bye. Nice to meet you. I'm the one always snoring. Speak.